What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be working on a 96 Ford F-150. We're gonna be replacing the starter. Pretty easy. We just need a ratchet with a 13 millimeters. Most of the trucks will be the same thing. Some of them will need like a 12 millimeters. First of all, we need to unplug the battery. Then we're gonna jack up the truck and we'll see the starter, which is only 2 bolts, 3 with the cable that comes from the battery. Right here we got the new old starter, which the owner preferred to use a used one instead of a new one. Alright, so let me do this and I'll show you where the starter goes. Okay, we only have to remove this bolt and the one up there, and then the one right here for the positive. That's it. Then it came out. It came loose. You just pull it out and put the new one in. Alright. After you take the 2 bolts from over here and up there, removing the one from the wire. You just need to pull the starter out, which is on the lower part of the engine on the passenger side. Alright. Okay, let's put the new one in and see you in a little bit. That's it. Finish. You need to plug the battery back and start it up. Okay, we need to put this back in place. That's it. After that, we need to start it up. Pull the jack out. So any questions, just please comment and like, subscribe, please share the video. Alright guys, see you later and have a nice day.